Bring us the very best ground mount off-grid solar quote that you've received in Oregon, and watch us blow that quote right out of the water while we provide you with higher quality, longer-lasting, higher performance top name brand products at a price that simply can't be beat.
City lights flicker, the grid starts to choke, paper-thin promises wrapped up in smoke. Storm clouds roll in, hear the breakers cry. When the wheat goes silent, we don't ask why. Copper in the circuit, fire in the line, built to endure it every single time. While the world goes fragile, cracks at the seams, there's a heartbeat humming behind the scenes. When the night falls hard and the current dies, there's a force that never bends, never hides. Iron core, standing in the blackout. Iron core, when the lights go out, unbreakable power, night and day. While everything fails, it stays awake. Iron core, built to survive, 24/7, keeping hope alive. When the grid goes down, we rise once more, powered by the heart of iron core.
We use only the finest inverters, solar modules, and batteries in our DIY off-grid solar systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to lightning strikes and EMP exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency transformer-based inverters, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight transformerless designs can. This system also includes high-quality, easily installed Integra Rack ground mount solar racks. No concrete footings, no post-pounding, and no earth augers needed. So easy to install that you can complete the installation of 10 solar modules in just under 100 minutes. Proudly made in the USA with US-sourced aircraft-grade aluminum.
Constant force that won't disengage. Iron core, standing in the blackout. Iron core, when the lights go out, unbreakable power, night and day. While everything fails, it stays awake. Iron core, built to survive, 24/7, keeping hope alive. When the grid goes down, we rise once more, powered by the heart of iron core. Let it rain, let it burn, let the grid fall. We were never meant to depend on it all. From the ashes, from the dark, from the storm, we don't beg for power. We were born built from iron, driven by will. No surrender, no shutdown.